After 5 decades of an inauspicious political union, history has again imposed itself on the peoples of southern Cameroon.
Our ancestors and our forefathers trusted you to go into a gentleman's agreement that two people who considered themselves brothers could go to live together.
These past few months, the entire world has borne witness that we, southern Cameroonians, are seen as an existential threat in the place where our forefathers once believed they could build a home.
Who is the sugar and who is the water? How do you have an army that's supposed to protect children step out there, beat them, and rape some?
Skarkouf's mission is to restore to sovereignty an Ambazonia Republic, anchored in the rule of law, of the people and by the people.
It is time for us to say it will soon be over.
To begin fashioning for Ambazonia Republic the foundational institutions which secure unfettered exercise of its sovereignty, both in rights and in privileges.
Who is the sugar and who is the water?
That this nation and its institutions, in due time, will deliver for its peoples vistas of opportunity and prosperity, which they can pursue to the full measure of their interests and talents.
We have made all the efforts.
And that these institutions and the habits of national community which they may engender should pose no impediment to the paramount aspirations for peace, development, good governance, and such inalienable freedoms as its citizens would enjoy by right.
Yes, sir. When the people will rise, even if you took the whole of the French army and added to yours, you will never bring them down.
Member organizations of Skarkouf have put into action a timely plan to restore the southern Cameroons to sovereignty. Ambazonians, the bells of history are sounding with alarming urgency in every horizon.
Mr. Wilbur, it is your people who choose to come here. It is your people who choose to come here.
People of Southern Cameroon have a right to self-determination.
Absolutely.
Whether they like it or not.
Yes, sir.